Fifth one, write a NumPy program to reverse an array. So to reverse an array, so if you practice the list programs, you understand how definitely you know how to reverse an array. Okay, using array slice method you can reverse an array. First we will see with an example this one. So import NumPy as an array, take x is equal to np dot arrange function, okay, for elements for 1 to 10 elements, 1 comma 11 here, okay, for 1 to 10 elements, just print x here. To fill elements 1 to 10 you have to use arrange function here, sequence. So 1 to 10 here. I want to reverse these elements here now, okay. So use array slice method. As you know, we have, if you practice list programs you understand easily this one, array slice method -1, okay, to reverse a given array elements here, okay. So print y, see 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, okay, simple one. Using array slice method we can reverse the given array.